things and them now run things. Them know the woman I got you know fi control things. She tell him fi do this, she ma fi do anything. I gonna do you know and then she no want it.
Caller, what's your name? Where you calling from? Hello, caller.
Hello?
Yes, what's your name? Where you calling from?
I'm calling from Nigeria and my name is Cassandra.
Yes, Cassandra, what happened now? You have a man problem?
I have several man problems.
You kind of sound like you don't have a man problem. Oh, hold on, me I talk, Cassandra. Hold on one moment. You see, you're going proper, and sometimes the man them want a lady in the street and a freak in the sheet. You understand? So you can't go on proper. This is an adult program we deal with, right?
Can you give me a chance?
Yeah, all right, I'll give you a chance. Talk up to me because I'm dainty. Talk up.
I am saying that I have had several problems over the years. I'm not able to keep them. I could always attract them, but I cannot keep them.
Wow.
So, do you have any kind of explanation as to why this is happening? I'd like some advice from you, please.
Well, me can't tell you, because you're too uptown, you're too stocious. I'm going to tell you, so the man,
why you keep saying that, ma'am? I didn't call her for that. I called her for some advice. I don't call her for
I'm giving you advice as how to keep your man. Me never lose a man yet, you know. Any man me left, me left them, and them left me. You understand? All right.
You have to be like that, ma'am. You really
trust me, if you want to hold on upon the man, you have to be like that. Want freak. The man them want freak. Me not say you can't be ladylike, you know. You can't be ladylike. But when you get into the bedroom, you fling away all of that. Because that's the man them want. When them in the bed, I say, go road, go look for it. That's why you always get bound. Them not stay with you. What you look like?
I'm pretty attractive.
You're pretty attractive. Lord, me love all attractive now work, me love. Because sometimes all of the ugly girl, them, you just bag the face and the man, them just face.
You know what? Your attitude seems to me like you ugly.
Oh, no, darling. No.
You must be ugly.
Why you don't want to come call me ugly? No, man, a blood clot bag my pussy clot face, my love. No man never bag my pussy clot face. You know what a bomber clot you come call ugly.
You may call ugly because I'm afraid of you?
Yes, well, you sound afraid. Cause me not afraid, you know? Me not afraid. Me can't tell you which part me there. Come with done your blood clot. You call me for advice and me tell you say if you stop, nice up. You have to open the pussy and get the man. Fling up the foot them in the ear, crawl upon the rooftop.
You know what? I don't think you have none because no man.
A liar, blood clottel. Trust me. Me a cougar, me a jaguar, me a every guy. Cause my pussy good. Trust me.
My goodness, how come they could have you on the
Your
radio?
goodness, I saw the man them say, me have the goodness. So if you want to know how to get the goodness, you need to just listen to what me I say. You know if I make the pussy quint? You know if I make the pussy quint?
My, I'm speechless.
You would be speechless. Because if you are big, you sound like a big intelligent woman to me and you don't look like you can make your pussy quint. If you make your pussy quint, man.
How can that happen, man?
You never hear about the kegel. Quint, man, you make the pussy quint on the body. Or the bumbo clot, no man. No man now go stay with if you not make the pussy quint, man. Obnoxious. You can use all of the blood clot word them when you want to use in a my girl. But me I tell you some my man them love me when me obnoxious. So what is the problem? All right. Excuse me?
I guess never just do anything for anything.
Yes.
I wouldn't want any of your men.
Well, listen to me, love. None of my man them now go want you, cause from them have me, them no want nobody else. And all men are dogs. Me I tell you right here, so now, all men are dogs. It's just that some of them are well trained. You understand? You have to know if you train a dog. And I seem like how you train a dog, I saw you train a man. So what may I say? You have to all in the collar sometime. So what kind of problem you have with the man them? Why them a left you? Them just walk out and left you so 'cause you're too pretty? No man not left no man 'cause them too pretty, you know. What tell me what the bumper cloud problem is that you call you so far?
The problem is they leave, but I don't think that you could give me any advice because you can't let them.
A liar, blood clot tell. Let me tell you something, man. Enough people marriage me save. Enough. A 12 pussy clot here me married.
Yes. So maybe you're not the person for me. I'm not that.
I am not the. Me not go fuck you, ma. Oh, you mean I'm not the woman for you? I'm not the person for you. Me not look you, my girl. I have a husband. And my husband love me. I have a man too, and my husband know that. Because the whole go, they have to share it.
That's not the kind of relationship I would want to have.
Well, maybe you need to try
I
it.
do believe that you're not the person for me. I should not be seeking advice from somebody like you.
Well, where you call yourself for? Uncut, you know, the program name collab Bomber Rascal Uncut. So we not go here, so. You understand? We want to talk the truth.
I don't understand it. No, I don't understand.
Well, you need to make somebody else Bomber Rascal call. You take up time on this line here. And other people have bigger problem than you. So you have to make them blood clot call. Hang up. Before me done your blood clot.
You can't done me. I don't know what that means anyway.
Well, try to look up in the dictionary if you done. D-U-N, done. I will done your blood clot on the radio. Hang up the pussy clot phone and make somebody else blood clot call. Next caller, please.
Why
cut her off, me, DJ. Cut her off. Cut off her bomber clot. Yes. So we're going back into some music. I mean, if you calm down, because that the woman is an idiot. She don't know if you old man. Blood clot, but I speak spoken blood clot. Wow. A gypsy she attack. Play some music, yeah.